Let's explore the word zoster and its meaning.
That's a word I've never heard before. What does it mean?
Zoster is a noun with two main meanings. In medicine, it refers to herpes zoster, commonly known as shingles, a viral infection caused by the reactivation of the varicella-zoster virus, the same virus that causes chickenpox. It often appears as a painful rash or blisters on one side of the body. Historically, it also refers to a type of belt or girdle worn in ancient times.
Oh, so it's both a medical term and a historical reference?
Exactly. Let's understand both meanings with a couple of short stories. Imagine someone who had chickenpox as a child. Years later, they feel a burning sensation on their back and notice a rash forming. They visit a doctor, who diagnoses them with herpes zoster, or shingles. The doctor explains that the varicella-zoster virus remained dormant in their body and reactivated due to stress or a weakened immune system. The doctor prescribes antiviral medication to help reduce the symptoms and advises rest to aid recovery. Now imagine an ancient Greek soldier getting ready for battle. The zoster secures his tunic and holds a small dagger, symbolizing both practicality and status. In ancient Greece, such belts were often intricately designed and worn by both men and women. Let's look at how the word zoster can be used in sentences. The patient was diagnosed with herpes zoster after developing a painful rash on their chest. This refers to the medical condition shingles. Herpes zoster is more common in older adults due to a weakened immune system. This highlights the cause of the condition. The warrior's zoster was adorned with gold and intricate patterns, signifying his rank. This describes the decorative use of a zoster in ancient Greece. Zosters were practical for holding weapons and securing garments during battle. This shows the functional aspect of the belt.
So, zoster can mean shingles in medicine or a type of belt in historical contexts?
That's correct. It's a versatile word with distinct applications in health and history.
That's fascinating. I'll keep both meanings in mind when I hear the word.
Perfect. Now you have a clear understanding of zoster in both contexts.